Hello friends, now we will discuss about magnetic properties of solid. On the basis of magnetic properties, the solid substances are classified as paramagnetic substance, now what is paramagnetic substance? The first one, the substances which contain unpaired electron and which are attracted by magnetic field are called paramagnetic substances. It may contain one or more unpaired electrons. Example of paramagnetic substances are oxygen, sodium, etc. So paramagnetic substances are the substances which attracted by magnetic field and they contain one or more unpaired electrons. Now the second one, it is diamagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substances means the substances which are not attracted by magnetic field. They contain no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electrons. Example, zinc. Zinc is a diamagnetic substance. Number 3, ferromagnetic substances. What is ferromagnetic substances? Ferromagnetic substances means the substances which are strongly attracted by magnetic field, and even if the magnetic field is withdrawn, the substance contain magnetic character in it. That means after removal of the magnetic field, external magnetic field, the substance also bear magnetic character. An example of ferromagnetic substances are iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. Let us explain why some substances shows ferromagnetic behavior. Actually, when magnetic field is absent, the ferromagnetic substance contain domain of molecular magnets or dipole which are not arranged properly. They are arranged in zigzag fashion. This is the representation of domain of molecular magnets of ferromagnetic substance. They are arranged in zigzag manner. In absence of magnetic field. Now, when external magnetic fields are applied, the molecular magnet, that is the dipoles is formed due to presence of unpaired electrons, large number of unpaired electrons. These dipoles are arranged parallelly like that. Since these dipoles are arranged parallelly, they shows strong magnetic property. This is ferromagnetic substance in presence of magnetic field. So, in presence of magnetic field, the domain or molecular magnet or the dipole are arranged parallelly and they are strongly attracted by magnetic field. Even when the external magnetic field is withdrawn, these arrangement does not disturb and they exhibit the magnetic character in absence of magnetic field. Number 4. Number 4 is antiferromagnetic substance. Now, what is antiferromagnetic substance? The substances which contain lot of unpaired electrons, but they are not attracted by magnetic field are called antiferromagnetic substance. In case of antiferromagnetic substance, the net magnetic moment is zero. Why this happens? Because in case of antiferromagnetic substance, the dipole are arranged in opposite direction. If one dipole is arranged in upward direction, the next one is arranged in downward direction, so the magnetic moment cancel each other. Magnetic moment cancel. As a result, since they contain large number of unpaired electrons, their net magnetic moment is zero. Example of antiferromagnetic substance is ferrous oxide, manganese oxide, etc. Now, the fifth one is ferrimagnetic substance. What is ferrimagnetic substance? Ferrimagnetic substances are the substances where the substance contain lot of unpaired electrons, but their magnetic moment is unexpectedly low. Why this happens? This is because in presence of external magnetic field, the molecular magnet or the dipole are arranged in such a way that some of the dipoles are cancelled. In this figure, I write 3 dipole in upward direction and 1 in downward direction. So these two dipole cancel each other. As a result, the expected value of magnetic moment of ferrimagnetic substance is somewhat less than the expected one. Example of ferrimagnetic substance is Fe3O4. That's all about magnetic property of solid. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.